Today, I'm unstoppable. Today, I need a break. I don't need a break because I'm like a Porsche. You understand? Now, I'm on a tush this morning because why not if not? Why not if not? Even after any figure like this, any day na aga asụ Igbo, any day na aga asụ Igbo, any day na aga asụ Latin. Mụ achọrọ pa ịma. Ife ma bụ na anọ m on the go and na-eso m n'ife na-ebe. Eso m n'ife na-eme. Eso m na ndị kwụ n'ọkụ. Eso m na ndị plug. So ọ bụ na ị chọọ ịdị unstoppable this morning ka ife ji gị ijoin ya n'ije afịa, whether by listening or by iweta your products and services ebe a. Kedu ife ji gị? Ka ndị mmadụ mara ife ị na-eme, otu isi eme ya na ebe ị na-eme ya. Adị m unstoppable. Adị m very, very unstoppable. Enidoro m hold up. Enidoro m go slow. Ebe ọ bụ na go slow dị move na-akwụwa gota na-aga anyị achọrọ ife na-egbu anyị oge. So na asị unu nnọọ officially n'ije afịa na Vote 104.3 FM. Afa mba ntị Chinazọ awụchigo m nnọọ nweke ụbọchị tata dị. Hey, if not that, na nidere ịgba ọsọ afịa today. Aka m nọkwa be m n'ala ruo ụdị oyi tụrụ tata nnọọ. Mmadụ kwesịrị ịnọ nnọọ ịnwago ikpuchie ya. But what can I do? Ọ bụ na m anọrọ ebe a ka ife ebe m ga-anọ, ego dị very, very important. Ebe a na-ejirọ m ego egwuregwu. Ego dị m ezigbote mkpa. Ọ dị very important na-emeki money no matter how small. A na-agụchata ya ofu ebe, agụchata ebe before mara ya etuju akpa. Onye bụ na mmadụ na-awụ billionaire. Everywhere ị nọ ikwesịrị na-turn up. Make sure na ị na-show up. Ọ dị very, very important. More important than your food. Consistency. Hey, very, very important. So, ọ bụ na ị like ego ka m ka ife ji gị weta afịa gị n'ije afịa. Ọ bụ na ị chọrọ make money, ọ bụ na ị chọrọ ka people mara ife ị na-eme, ebe ị na-eme ya n'otu isi eme, kedu ife ji gị iweta your goods and services ebe a ka ụwa niile mara ife ị na-eme. Just you need ebe ime ise Aunty Chinazọ na ịdịkwa interested or ije afịa interested. Just send them a message ka hapụ miss your number. So kpọọ m na 0706048583 ma send them a message na 0706048583 ebe anụ anyị adịghị like ka unu mee gịnị waste your airtime. Just na-ege m ntị na-edepụtasị products ndị ịchọ, depụta afọ onye nwe the product, depụta address, depụta number. Ọ dị very important so that emesịa iji nwa aga ma window shopping mara ife onye a ga-elesi, because I promise everybody na-eweta ebe a inwe need for it one way or the other. Now or later inwe need for that person. So make sure need your pen and paper ready or need the very, very fast with your phone, with your keypad. Or the very, very important. So the cancel drop go number 0706048583. Send them a message. I make call except on rare occasions. And when you up them mfuki ife na-eme mmepe phone lines kedu ka we go to affect afia anyị, we go to affect our businesses. But ọ bụ na onwere just drop a message here ọ bụ na ịchọ ịgwa m. Alright, so nana cheta azụ. Cheta na ịdị unstoppable. Cheta that nobody can stop your shine. Cheta that if ọ bụ na itiela aka gị, so long as na aka gị na soil your hands, I'm telling you, nyaba aka aja ga-emecha bute gịnị aka mmanụ. Soiled hands na-ebute gịnị oiled lips. Ọ bụ na mara ife that adage nkwu mean. Akwago me in English. Yotago, open a water, ije na cheta as a. And also, as we dey toil, as we dey chop, as we dey enjoy, as we dey hustle. Chetakwa na gịnị me that na wahala no dey finish. Wahala no dey finish. Yotago, and also no ga-eme mgbe Chukwu si no ga-eme. Ọ dị very, very simple. Ọ bụ rocket science. Adịghị eme gịnị adịghị anụ ọrịa ọgụ mgbe ọ bụla ọ sị na ọ ga-eme oge isikwa ka fọsụọ ya ife na-eme ndị fọsụrụ ife a fọsụ eme. So gbado anya iji n'ebe ọbụla nna na-echetazị mgbe na-echetala ka ngwa unu ndị njem maka ya wee bịa n'ụbọchị nke taa n'ije afịa. Ndị chọọ ka mbupụta their map, ndị chọọ ka mbupụta their business n'ife na map, kwa ife na ọkụ ka soro n'ife a na-eme, ka fa soro n'ife a na-arụ, ka ha bụrụ the plug, ka ha bụrụ the people ọ ga-abụ asịsị cheta ndị na-ele ihe a isoro na the first 3 or 4 aga-ebu n'obi. And also you'll be patronized because authenticity bụ our number 1 anthem ebe a. So Aunty Chinazọ go verify ya wee mara that n'ife a abụrụ gịnị ihe mmadụ ga-ego bewe akwa, ọ bụrụ ife iyi ego o butere gị anya mmiri. Aga na ebe ọbụla nna na-cheta azụ. No wahala, Kiss Daniel, Wonder Button na Tiwa Savage. Ndewo. One today. Open. Problem, you know the finish. Make you try they enjoy. Wahala, you know the finish. Oh, make you try they enjoy. Sikata kata wuru, you know the finish. Make you try they enjoy. Problem, you know the finish. Go dance like no wala. Yeah, no wala. Go dance like no wala. Yeah. Go dance like no wala. Oh, you dance like no wala. Bansi de Rosie Trinda. Hi, what's up? Dalo. Problem, you know this me person. Hey, na person kill person. Wahala na see finish. Problem, you know the last forever. Make you try they enjoy. Hey, now who that I know? That's so that they call me for personal person. Don't give me person. How you consign me? How you say consign me? I don't know. He choke. Walai. Sampa na he be the best friend. So you know no problem, you know the finish. Hey, make you try they enjoy. But Allah, you know the finish. Si kata kata wulu, you know the finish. Problem, you know the finish. I go dance like no wala. Yeah, no wala. Go dance like no wala. Yeah. Go dance like no wala. Yeah, no wala. Problem, you know the finish. Problem, problem, you know the finish. Go dance like, dance another dance like no wala. Go dance like, that's a dance like no wala. 104.3 FM. I'm no game. I'm no game. I'm no game. Oneke. So the sunny day, one every day, Zigabia, and you was out by new to joy, Gabia. Even now, Bonnie Telwaka. Before the happy ever after man, pain, Gabia. Oh, Gaza. Otulapa Maza. Baby, blah. On never slow be. I won't tell you. Don't mind we saying whatever. Man, I'm not sure what do you say? I run bonya, but you what I'm what you say. Any day, my lady, the cigar, any biana body, mana, a gigabia, when you tell I come. Before the happy ever after, mana, pain, gabia, otoa. Full bossy orgaza, mandala house until la bamaza. Obi mgbawasia onye ga-akasị m obi ife m fọrọ n'ụzọ na awụ m akpata oyi. I chose him small, I draw me heavy. Mana ama m na-achọ oge m ugboro ise. Arụ mbụ onye Chukwu wetara m ugboro ise. Ọ ga-agbawa m obi mgbawasịa, ọ ga-akasị m obi ife m fọrọ n'ụzọ na awụ m akpata oyi. Woo! Yes, so our very own homeboy, Cola Boy, okay, me and Chetana Cola Boy Gano tomorrow not Opera Square. Chetana Gano tomorrow not Opera Square from 3 p.m. Cause the event nebido, but the proper event nebido by 6 p.m. So Cola from the east, Gabia tomorrow not Opera Square. So Kuno do ready our very homeboy with every other artist, Zero Swags Bag, IJE AFIA, Evado, plenty of them, Boy P, a lot of our boys Ghana there, a lot of our brothers Ghana there, a lot of 190 Ghana there, a lot of good artists, like our artists, our Igbo artists from the east Ghana there. So all the very important. I'm around you will go for ticket to get a lot of people will buy their ticket. I'm gonna win a ticket from me na Cola Boy show. Tata buho heri mbia nwere amamu. Today will be the day in where the chance ibia weria. If not in Jena Street, J Kenya bo ticket. But I got a lot of people try ibia the show, but he want access to the ticket hand on a street. So all the very important. All the very important. Yatago. So just see make sure ibia weru your ticket. And I'm now live on our YouTube channel, Vote ODENIGBO, and I'm live now, Vote ODENIGBO. IJE AFIA is ongoing, and whereby they make sure na business can able to wani ne malo. If in ele, ebi ne elia, notice elia. Cheta na fambanti chinazo. Now, kendi aibu makia webia. Kaijena ke Wine Press Trading Services Limited. Wine Press Trading Services Limited, be your #1 real solar world company, organization, services. How about the good people who each or install, each or sell, each or panel may repair, each or import. You make sure ne but wine press more na shop wine press ne lay fedika panels, solar panels from different sizes, inverters, charge controllers, batteries, solar CCTV cameras, solar fans, solar street lights, solar flood lights. Fan what be baby right now, nife solar. And ibia the patience in trying to explain but not to force you or persuade you, because of course only he no be where but actually trust on Wine Press anytime even a shop you also give me this thing mayor I don't like it for somebody because that is what your mind have told you and happy dicky na walk against your mind. I've been one of the people that say oh beginner burun no be fan I got something mayor, but then no one kagi expertise kagi something in here marrow na advice again nyonya and the benefit of the doubt come at the person you guarantee on we goes we subiri ebia oya agba also overnight what I go. So on a solar panels of all sizes, inverters, charge controllers, batteries, solar CCTV cameras, solar fans, solar street lights, solar flood lights. If any ne hane services hani ne auto na haswe noro all top notch. And shop for dinner 58 Gospel Plaza Alaba International Market dinner Lagos. So open each of these services na Lagos, Jena 58 Gospel Plaza Alaba. Then open each of your Enugu, hand on a new Power Plaza shop 13 by Ogui Police Station. Hand on a New Power Plaza Shop 13 by Ogui Police Station. So when you know Enugu, you know Nansuka, you know Anambra, you know Abia State, you know Omaha, you know Nebo, you know Egamont right now. Boy and 0806 028 1947 0806 028 1947. Boy and this number or send a WhatsApp message. See I need your ego solar light, solar inverters, charge controllers. If any know nature, okay, listen gear. And okay, install nkwulu ga ebe ọbụla ị nọ they can come there bịa mee gịnị install ya for you ọ bụrụ problem ọ ifefa ji ma ọ nwere ihe ọzọ hapụtara wee lụ abụrụ gịnị install your solar energy anything ị chọrọ about your solar ha nọ there so visit ha today ọ bụrụ just ọ bụrụ ihe ị ga-eche eche right now nepa na-enye nsogbu inwe ike like this na ịnọ in the middle of cooking imagine ewe ọkụ ịbịa gbanyarabagodo chọbagodo touch ụfọdụ ndị otu m na-enwerọ touch enwerọ m touch be m na-abụrụ phone touch so imagine isi nri with phone na kitchen mana igo panel were ya connect elu gị ọkụ all the very simple as that kịrịta na-aba Christmas ya festive period you don't need to lie you need the ọkụ ịpụdị na be gị o nwere ka ọ ya adị na a na-esi ma na a na-eme ụmụaka juru everywhere ọkụ anyụọ just because you are depending on EEDC onye ka na-edepend na EEDC now emego ya ka ọ dịrị anyị izi ịghọtago so jee na Wine Press Trading Services Limited ka ha nye gị all the services you need pertaining your solar energy or solar light or solar everything whatever anything solar ịghọtago now ka anyị jee in our very home away from home Hotel Sunshine they introduce to us Sunshine Sundays. Sunshine Sundays, the buffet experience. Sunshine Sundays bụ ịbịa no with chikili money 20,000 naira for buffet experience. Buffet experience. Well, maybe some of you are marifable buffet, but let me explain it to you. Even though na ga abịa na studio very soon, he explain further more services ha nwe. But can gwa unu nke a na otu ngeshi wee ghọta ya because ịma na ife nke a ife ọbụla bịa ebe a bụ nke a ya anyị nwa ya. Now, buffet experience will be 20,000 naira for adults and 10,000 naira for children, but something you can enjoy from 12 noon till 4 p.m. of any food choice. Echo. Nke abụrụ ka ikuru so rice. No. A ga-enye gị a plate, ikuru nke, anything. Your plate can contain any kind of food, any food experience ị chọrọ ime. Jee na Sunshine Sundays. That's on Sundays. From 12 to 4 p.m. You can eat whatever you want to eat. From 12 till 4 p.m. You might not do easy if the so you need enough time to actually bring it out. See your potofuma, you may enjoy. You go give you happy. You put all your money where the value is you're experiencing the value. If you're in water, okay, okay, it's okay. Water go. So on Sundays from 12 noon till 4 p.m. Jenna Hotel Sunshine Dinner Plus C5 Residential Road. Ogui Enugu ọ bụ na isi Okpara Square gbaa ya straight gafee new First Bank ịgafekwa na First Bank na-ene anya by your right ị ga-afụ the hotel very fine serene place very fine sweet hotel environment had go to top notch ha nwere swimming pool and all that so a lot of things you can enjoy on a Sunday mana on Sunday when go see ade so ijekwana on Sundays na Hotel Sunshine you may enjoy your 20,000 naira by the buffet experience. Now ọ bụ na ị chọrọ contact fa kpọọ na 0909 900 0230 0909 900 0230. Now, how about the Akara experience? This one is for breakfast from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. on Saturday. On Saturdays, Ijeba, probably after your workout, before you go to work, even anything. Ishini, even to sweep house na wahala. But I can manage and everybody snap dirty. But if you don't have time for breakfast, you can actually join an Akara experience from Hotel Sunshine. The same place, just this one on Sundays. This one on Saturdays. Every Saturday, EJ na Hotel Sunshine. Just experience here their Akara Express. You're going to love it. And I serve you hot and tasty. So from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. the period in way to enjoy this experience. Hotel Sunshine, the Nogui, just by your right, Obunisi Opera Square, Abadata. Just by your left, Obunisi Obiago, Abagote, Yatago. Then, Hanwe Karaoke Night, also every Thursday, their karaoke nights, but every Thursday from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Imayebu Karaoke Night. Imayebu Karaoke Night. Singing along with your voice. I had it, we don't hear, we listen, we don't judge. But we can actually sing. People will listen and will not judge me on your karaoke night. So just experience your karaoke night na Hotel Sunshine. You know, there be the karaoke night na I hold with a Kenny Sports Bar near the Hotel Sunshine. Just you draw her on a Thursday. Kedebe Kenny Sports Bar. You just wanna leba. You may experience the karaoke night. It's fun. On a very, very exciting, holding the microphone, singing along your beautiful favorite songs. Because before you go abroad your favorite, you got the lyrics. All you need to do is while the lyrics are showing up, the tone or the bed or whatever, you're going the instruments, so you're gonna but I'm no sound of the artist, it's just your own sound. That's just karaoke night. Or the very, very fun. It's something you should experience, whether as a young person or as a old person. You just want to leba and a karaoke night you just tell them that you be a karaoke night on a Thursday, on a video from 7 p.m. till 11 p.m. You may experience funding our club in Waziki Siziaba. It was a back club. I'm going to be in an honor. Macuma, when they wouldn't Ojaba Nieja. Ndi Ojaba Nieja. All right, so I'm gonna see today experience the Sunday Sunshine, which is on Sundays from 12 to 4, or you can experience this Saturdays Akara Express from 7 a.m. till 10 a.m. Then the karaoke nights every Thursday 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Then open your solar energy installation, repair, importation to sell or advise. Ghana Wine Press Trading Services Limited. Hand on a New Power Plaza Shop 13. New Power Plaza Shop 13 by Ogui Police Station. Or when each of the services in the Lagos 58 Ghost Power Plaza, Alaba International Market. Na chetas when na chetekwala azu ka mburukwa ndi mbuaga. This na have they will not let me go. Mo ajuko na ma let if I go until I make you something out of this thing. We are going to make something out of it. I can have na chetas. Cheta no when they game I ga-enye ohere ọ mụ na fa ga-anọ kọlị na IJE AFIA n'oge na-ete ha aka ka ịnụ ifefa nwere ike ikwu gbasara ihe ha ji bịa wee bịa. So stay tuned. Agakwa n'ebe ọbụla nna anachi azụ ịnọ na Volt 104.3 FM. Afa mba ntị Chinazọ na asị gị ndewo. Then she said, hi, come on, baby, make you step into my car. Me, I don't take you to a place where you go like I no go like. Stay. And then all of a sudden, everybody's not gonna stop, but I don't know why. When they put their hack on, then I say, sir, waiting. Oga police here, waiting be this year. You just stress me, they vex me now. Which kind of why be this year? Why you doing this year? Oh no, see waiting at the miss. Oga police here, waiting be this year. You just stress me, they vex me now. Which kind of why be this year? Why you doing this year? Oh no. Now which kind of why be this year? Oh no. Just a Johnny with a gun. We get the money. Isewu and Johnny, anytime where they make eye dirty. Plenty bubble just they make the noise. Hey, enough chiquitos just the one more plate. There's a and all of a sudden everybody start to run, but I don't know why. I say, sir, Oga police here, waiting be this year. You just stress me, the vest me, that which guy yeah, why be this year? Why you doing this year? Oh no, see what in the miss. Tell me, now what you gonna do for this life where police not gonna come harass you? I don't know, even though they go still come. Tell me, Oga police here, waiting be this year. The which kind labor be this year? From my brother this year. Oga police here. I said, now waiting be this. From my brother to my friend. Oga police here. Waiting be this year. You just stress me, they vex me now. Which kind of year will be this year? What you doing this year? It's Davido. Okay, she don't do me something, papa. Roger, over. Hey, hey, hey. I want, Yeah. Okay, chi, oh man, nenu my baby. While we find get obi mu imani maka. If you are my baby girl, I'm sorry. Now you dead my mind, but now you dead my mind. Yeah. Oh, chia. Nenu my baby. Olólùfẹ́, no go lie, I need your love for my. You to eat my all I do for a living. Tempted to touch your foreign cookie. If ain't kidding more, see the love I got. My baby, this love is sweet, oh, it's real, oh. Baby, run around to make her tell you, oh my dollar now. Paradise burn my body, bummer. Make you burn my pikin, oh. Ogechi, kama. Nenu baby, no kama. Olólùfẹ́, I no go lie, I need your love, I need your love, I need your love, I need your love, oh yeah. Nenu baby. Olólùfẹ́, I no go lie, I need your love before my Gwani fenge mege obi mu imani maka. Nenu my baby. Olólùfẹ́, I'm not gonna lie, I need your love before my. Why me finger make obi mo imani maka. Na 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 na. Dun 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 dun. Yes, so gay chikama, as much as you are imagon, no matter what, as much, no matter what, no matter how, what all needs to God's time is the best. You needs nige me I am telling you, ogeru, me. Also na ọ ga-abụ. It doesn't matter. Ife ọbụla ọ sọkwara gị na-eme, just keep working. Ịma ife afọ ị na-eme mebi ya, jisie ike. Ọ dịrị easy, ọ dịrọ mfe, mana jisie ike. Keep showing up, the consistent. Ma ife afọ ị kwesịrị ime. God's time is the best. Ọ mgbe oge rọsị, nwa ma, iko gị ejugo ka m gbanyela oge. The amount of work ị tinyelu, the amount of reward ị ga-enweta. To whom much is given, much is expected. Simple. Chineke enyego gị okwu nye to charge controllers, to batteries, to solar CCTV cameras, to solar fans, solar street lights, solar flood lights, and also the solar generator. And with the solar generator, this solar generator powers your light, your television, your fridge. So imagine what that can do. And people will not even know. Introducing the solar generator. Today, Goria, na New Power Plaza, shop 13 by Ogi Police Station. Stephanie, the solar generator. You experience it. It's a good. When I saw it, I've been very happy. Because of course, when you now suchichi mother get only kind of I better pass my neighbor. The big one self was why I better pass my neighbor. On hand na asucha. Now suchichi mother. So you don't need to experience that. And the neighbors again need the na ata off na kage. Ndebe na ka hamma. You go to the generator. In now suchichi hands. This time around, they don't need to know. What on you gonna ekpere. What and say if I want ekpere the generator ha na-enye nsogbu aja ekpere, you'll be wondering. You know, go Chineke na make a giant now. Chineke make a fuel yago. So just go and buy this solar generator. Okay, help go get a long way for you and all the chickly money compared to what they are offering. Compared to what that generator is going to offer you. So Jegolu the solar generator. Naka Wine Press Trading Services and IJE AFIA make sure that need you something nata. How with solar fan. With solar fan. With solar CCTV cameras. With solar street lights, solar flood lights. With panels of all sizes, inverters, charge controllers. If you can't say I didn't want any with happiness because I know what I have experienced there. All right, so 08060281947 08060281947. But when you send a message, or you can also send a WhatsApp message, whichever one. Email or the very important that you got today. Can Surundi Begi Lachaka. Surundi Begi Libelele or Orurugi. Or you are not a small person. A burobere madu. You serve no small. So G1 Omega Jen and wine press. Anything in a solar, okay, nyegia. Anything in a solar, okay, nyegia. And also for consultation, okay, when you put consultation that you need, explanation that you need. If any need, if any may import, if any LL, if any may install, if any repair. So obere madi ki na na shop, obere shop ki na bakunya, obere experience ki ye meku. What I go. So like I said before, on your mind fed them my DG go banye kiria. Ije na nke ndi Hotel Sunshine na plus C5 Presidential Road Ogui Road. Ije experience the Akara Express every Saturdays from 7 till 10. Then Sunshine Sundays, the buffet experience every 12 noon to 4 p.m. And also the karaoke nights every Thursday 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. na Kenny Sport Bar, Hotel Sunshine. Na chechazu. But na chetelazu ka mma na mo ndi m ga-ebu wee nata. Nga mma na ndi m ga-ebu wee nata. All the very very important. Ana ga na carry kwanu people along. All the very very important. Aga na ebe obuna nna na chetazu. Ndewo. Wine Press Trading Services Limited. Na import, na sell, na install, na repair. Ha na-ele solar panels of all sizes, Ha na-ele inverters, charge controllers. Ha na-ele batteries. Ha na-ele solar CCTV cameras. Ha na-ele solar fans, solar street lights, solar floodlights, solar generator. Ha nwe ya, and services ha niile bụ top notch. Anything you want. When the sun is out or when the sun is down, solar wine press services is there to take over without disappointing you. Open each visit Hana shop, each me window shopping, Jenna New Power Plaza Shop 13 by Ogui Police Station, more 58 Gospel Plaza, Alaba International Market, Lagos. More 0806 028 1947. 0806 028 1947. Bob test ya my WhatsApp or today. Now kaije chete ndị Hotel Sunshine na-enye karaoke night every Thursday by 7 p.m. till 11 p.m. From 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. na Kenny Sports Bar Hotel Sunshine. Every Thursday 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Na Kenny Sport Bar. Just each IJE or you locate Hotel Sunshine, make sure na ebe Ogui Road. The Ogui the Albany na towards Opera Square. Their hotel is a resort in a main road or the Nakan Nigi Albany na towards Obiago or the Nake Begi. So Iba with serene environment, nice swimming pools, sweet environment, iga like it. Obuni icho iga use their Saturdays for their Akara Express or every Saturday from 7 till 10. Like now, kita obuni igabe imi sigoya out. But chebe next Saturday because every Saturday kona bialogi every Saturday from 7 a.m. till 10 a.m. EJ made the Akara Express experience. Upon nature, the Sunday buffet like tomorrow now. Every Sunday from 12 to 4 p.m. Hano there, make sure that now in your services like your top-notch buffet experience from 20,000 naira for adults and 10,000 naira for the kids. And I'm telling you, you get whatever value for your money. Because in this time around, you're going to be given a plate, but make sure you have anything. So imo ni geri ejin out of greed mo ife na ko nki manly or man dem ma e wata ga ya dey to fi eba. So abuni cho experience the buffet, make sure ni jereba and turn up from 12 on Sundays till 4 p.m. Ije media buffet experience. Cheta na ha no na Ogui Road. Address fa plus C5 Presidential Road, Ogui. In case obuno gonoga oyibo kan na, so just jebe no Ogui ijekwana na Presidential Road by Ogui. Ha nọ n'aka nni ọbụna isi Okpara Square agbadata. Ha nọ n'aka ekpe ọbụna isi Obiago agbadata. Adi achọ Faro Tower of Babel. Adi ezo. Alright, so dịka nsu egwu na onwe ndị mụ na ha ga na-join. Ndị mụ na ha ga anọ na the show. Ha ga join them very, very soon. Ha si from Hotel Presidential. Right? So ka ha bịa tinyekwu ọnụ for more experiences you can garner from Hotel Sunshine. They have a lot of things, a lot of goodies, a lot of products, a lot of services. Again, this period, festive period, next year, where they gaba until they can do what? Take it no more. I got none on your faces until you are tired. That's the idea. That's the idea of publicity. I got no get until you say, okay, na carbon kani, I need to choose aka miri. I am all on your top list. And the essence of IJE AFIA, we make sure that whenever the products each or go, they hear. Na I chete ni ne chetani. At least I bring your first 3 on your list. Onya bu make him sure that na this brand will homemade name, a homemade name. Making sure that na in your homes that we are mentioned and we are known. Thank you. Agakwana Bob na nana cheta. So cheta ni na Volt 104.3 FM. Afam ban tichinazo. Kitabo IJE AFIA. Goods and services. Money. Errand girl get cambo. When it falls on Nazata, bro, your errand girl. Just like this, Nanjima na my 2K. Messenjima about that presidential road. No, just cho. Eben geri but for ako makosi ade now. Ejiro muni akbariam. Ejiro mega akbariam. When it falls on motivation, but rather in a go make sure. Nan plug will get in. make sure na ntinye gị na map, make sure na nye gị the light at the end of the tunnel. Iru ebe ahụ ọkụ adịrọ lighter dị, ịkpọnye ya lighter, sụbanye ozugbo. Ndewo, nna Anachieta Azụ. Culture Umuobiligbo featuring Fino na Flavor. Ndewo.